You okay, Karthik?
Yeah.
You look a little tensed. What's happening?
So it's payroll day today, which means a lot of calculations and a lot of things going on. Many people think that running a small business, payroll is only about transferring the money via UPI to the employees and getting it over with. But that's not the case. Like every month, I spend almost around 3 days prior to the payroll date to make sure the calculations are correct. Have we processed all the reimbursement? Is there any pending payments that we need to do, even for the vendors? Because running a payroll system is not about just sending the money and then getting it over with. It's about understanding the seriousness of each and every transaction that we make. And we tend to do it the last Friday of every month so that people can go home, be happy, have some money in the bank, and spend some time with the family as well. So as Swati said earlier, Fridays are quite chill, and we want people to experience the calmer side of the business as well, because Monday to Thursday is all about running behind tasks and customer requests and all. But the most important thing is, with the advent of AI, I'm able to do so many things in parallel as well. So right now, the team wanted me to host Buzz, which is the new open source project from Jack Dorsey, which is so interesting. And we are just figuring out where to host it, what server to fit it in, and things like that. So later today, Buzz will be live for everyone at Script, and they're going to be hammering it with a lot of agentic requests, I think. But this is also a fun part of my job. And yeah, I hope you have a good weekend as well. And over to you, Swati.
We have so many prompts, we have so many agents, we have so many tools, we have so many bots doing so many things. And unfortunately, the only kind of observability tool that we have for this entire product is the logs, which is not great. There's a time for everything. So what I'm focusing on today, in this great, fantastic alone time that I have, is to set up an observability tool for the product. And comb through each of the responses that we get, comb through each of the prompts that we have, and see what can be removed, see what can be improved, without the need for updating infrastructure, because that's the easiest thing that anyone can do to fix a problem. Let's do that. Alright, so I'm back. A lot of great learnings. One thing that really stood out was we need to house our prompts better. Right now, we store them on the code base, and if anytime we need to revise, we send a PR, which works, which is great, which is good for now. But it would be great if we could have like a Git repo just for this, and it looks like LangFuse does exactly what I need. It does prompt versioning. It's so much easier for us to figure out what prompt worked for what use case and improve on that. Make decisions on if it's time to just update the model rather than fix the prompt or fix the tools. It's great for that. And also, I sat down and saw that there's not many evals in place. So AI, it's quite easy to integrate AI. That's the truth, right? But it's very hard to scale that AI and actually make it work for your customers. There's this great meme that I found where AI is fantastic at making prototypes, but it sucks at when you need to get that prototype into production. Nothing can be more true. So my job, I think, for the next week is to set the right guardrails in place, set the right evals in place, so that we can ensure our AI is as reliable as possible for our customers. Because it's very easy to just say that, oh, AI hallucinated, but that doesn't help a customer, right? How do you fix that? That's what I'm here for. All right, that was a good Friday. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good, except for crunching the numbers a lot.
That happens one Friday of the month, and I think it's worth it when the next Monday comes around.
Totally, yeah. New challenge.
Yep. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We get to go home and see our cute little babies.
Yeah, I guess we have a couple vloggers now.
Yeah.
We should.
Maybe, yeah.
All right.